they have developed an extraordinary range of strategies to survive. This tree is a bristlecone pine. It's taken thousands of years to reach this size. It has seen empires rise and fall, kings, queens and presidents come and go, and may have seen the sun rise more than 1.5 million times. Bristlecone pines are the oldest living things on Earth. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant. It will be full grown 30 meters tall in just 90 days. Like animals, plants are constantly competing for food, striving to produce offspring, and battling against predators. They will deceive, and in some cases, they will even hunt. We often don't notice such dramatic behaviour because, to our eyes, it happens so slowly. But if time is compressed and you shift perspective to the plant's point of view, their world comes spectacularly to life. The events in this woodland can build to a view of half a year in less than a minute.